Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous video, I inform you that Tigray Defense Force soldiers present in the surrounding areas of Valdia, Amhara region, and local militias tried to preventing Tigray Defense Force soldiers from moving forward. But now, the latest update is that, according to many media sources, furious fighting between Amhara and Tigray forces reported at Valdia town in northern Ethiopia. And heavy artillery strikes targeted the town, which is defended by Amhara regional forces and militias. And local officials call for Ethiopian government to take immediate action and deploy Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers to Valdia. Viewers, but so far no any report has been given by Tigray Defense Force and Tigray sources about this. And on the other hand, today in a statement, Oromo Liberation Army claimed that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers, after heavy fighting with Ethiopian army and its allies, has captured all of Bilyu Hora district with the exception of Bilyu Hora towns. And after over a month of fighting, the Oromo Liberation Army has captured the Ethiopian military camp located in Malka Guba. And on 7th August 2021, the Oromo Liberation Army surrounded an Ethiopian military camp located in Dhaka, Kalati, and launched several attacks on Ethiopian soldiers. And now heavy fighting is ongoing. And OLA commando units attacked on Ethiopian security forces, and in this attack, almost 56 Ethiopian combatants being killed in the last 2 weeks. And about Central Zone, Oromo Liberation Army claimed that the Oromo Liberation Army soldiers has launched a major offensive in North Shiva and captured the main road running through North Shiva to Amhara state. And on 7th August, the Oromo Liberation Army overrun and attacked an Ethiopian military camp located in Yaya Haro. And on 7th August, the Oromo Liberation Army captured the towns of Ali Doro and Ula Umo. And an attempt counter-offensive by Ethiopian security forces in the afternoon of August 7th was routed by Oromo Liberation Army and resulting in over 100 enemy combatants being killed. And several rifles were also captured by Oromo Liberation Army. Because Oromo Liberation Army claimed that Ethiopian security forces attempting to rally in Wara Jarso were forced to retreat with over 50 AKM rifles being captured in this battle. And about Western Zone, Oromo Liberation Army claimed that the Oromo Liberation Army has captured Limo Galila district, and the majority of Nono Kumba district has been captured by the Oromo Liberation Army after heavy fighting with Ethiopian security forces in Horau, Bacha and Brinkas. And in Yamalguya Walal district, an attempted offensive by Ethiopian security forces was routed, resulting in several dozen enemy combatants being killed. And Abiyunt Gidami district, Oromo Liberation Army claims that following a 3-hour offensive, the Oromo Liberation Army has captured the following: the Ethiopian military camp in Buri, and the Ethiopian military camp next to the Gidami town administration office, and the Ethiopian military camp located in China camp. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.